what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm honest.
Good morning, gang. It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video will be a vlog. I'm just about to get a shower, clothes on, and head to my grandma's house because we are going to eat breakfast this morning. Like, okay, let's pick up the camera, and I'm gonna bring you all along. So that's what I'm about to do, and I have to hurry up because I have to be to my grandma's house at 10:30, and I think it's 9, probably about 15 or something. This is the scent of the day. I love to mix this and Cloud by Ariana Grande. That smells so good together. I just got on this sweatshirt with some black leggings, and I'll probably put my Crocs on and call it a day. It's very chill. It's a little cool outside. Ugh, got it in my mouth. But yeah, black leggings. Krispy Kreme is having a sale where you can get a dozen of donuts, glazed donuts for $4.08, and I hope we can go buy Krispy Kreme because we should. It's right downtown. Like, but they might not be hot. Oh, yeah, they're not gonna be hot, but I don't care. I think I still want to go by there. Or Insomnia cookies. Them cookies be 10 out of 10 recommend, okay? I have to take my batteries because I do not need for my camera to be dying. I think I got like 2 bars left. So I charged these yesterday. Zara said she didn't want to go, child. She do not never like to go anywhere. She became a homebody like her mother. But I asked her, did she want to go? I need to go. Y'all, so have y'all watched that show that I had told you about in my last vlog, The Elite? Y'all have to watch it. Like, it is really good. I got to finish watching it. Every season, somebody gonna die. Like, every season. Also, have y'all watched, what's that show called? Bridgerton, Snowfall, of course, with Tommy from Power, Bel-Air. I still have to catch up on that. I haven't finished it. Y'all put down in the comments what kind of shows y'all be watching, or what would y'all recommend. Y'all know I like thriller, scary, drama. I like it all. So you do that for your girl, okay? Do that for your girl.
Have me a nice iced coffee that I made.
Nelly Chopper.
No, I don't watch that.
It's a guy, he be like this. Like that. I can't do it, y'all. That's on me! Come on, get up.
Focus.
Focus, camera. Go back.
What is symbol on the side?
Lord back. By dear, Lord back.
Okay.
This is
How you get yours
Midnight
so quick?
Black. I got the connection.
Okay. You went to the launch party?
Indeed. Ring.
Y'all, you getting in the car seat?
Car seat.
Heavy.
What is it?
Nicholas, it was Nicholas' car seat.
You do a workout with it.
I'm the entire tree. That look good to me. What? That's a little guy.
Okay, chicken won't be more. Just say there.
I still got mine too. Mine is decoration. It's the one behind the old.
It's their birthday thing.
Dragon pants and
Like a hoodie type.
long time coming, but I know. Come on, you gotta wait. I gotta get footage now. I'm trying to get this money by tomorrow. I will fight you for these donuts. Go ahead and get one for the phone ring. You want one? That's funny. Your mama eat one. I know you can eat one.
I'm not my mama.
Y'all look at this pure goodness.
I'm not my mama. I got some water.
Toner. Y'all know CeraVe is my favorite brand. I love CeraVe, so I'm gonna try this and see how it works. Got some soap. I also picked up 4 graphic tees, 2 for Zara, 2 for me, and this just the Squid Game one. I also picked up this one for her, but no, I had to get this. My girl, Selena. And I just got me a Squid Game one too. So now I'm about to load some footage from my camera to my phone because I need to get this vlog up from Sunday. My Easter vlog, I still haven't downloaded. I think I got like 2 or 3 clips that I need to download, and I also need to finish editing that video.
Woke up this morning and I was thinking about what we said. I was gonna be you and me until the end. We're not married.
Sir, it's too late.
No, it's not too late. It's never too late.
Y'all seen this show on Hulu, Our Kind of People? I'm about to watch that. I don't watch the first episode. It's been pretty good so far. Let me know if any of you all have watched this show before. Once I get further in the season, I'll let y'all know how I like it. But it's been good so far. And I have started watching it and I went to sleep. I think I did finish the first episode, so it done went on to episode 3. So now I'm about to watch that and I'll be back shortly.